Whether you're a beginner, intermediate, or an advanced martial artist, or just doing general fitness, it's important to select a glove that has good knuckle and wrist protection. So when throwing a punch, you really want to make sure your knuckles are in line with your wrist. Any misalignment can cause injury and prevent you from training. So this is where the Hayabusa T3 glove really has you covered, and there's a reason why they won Best Boxing Gloves 2 years in a row from Men's Health. And it all starts with the world-renowned leaders in wrist technology with their double strap. Once that double strap is on, you really have that comfort to be able to throw that punch as hard as you can. And that's an important part when learning the technique. It doesn't stop there. You also have superior knuckle protection to prevent your knuckles from bruising and allowing you to train the next day. The last thing you want is bruised knuckles and a sore wrist to keep you away from the gym. An important design feature I like about the glove is its sleek design. A lot of gloves you will find in the market have this big bulky look to them, which gives it a more amateur feel. But the sleek design, the texture on the outside, gives you a nice professional feel and helps you get your punches down the middle without a bulky look. On top of the knuckle and wrist protection, it's important to find a glove that looks good and fits well. The interiors of the glove has a breathable mesh, an inner pocket design, as well as an ergonomic thumb position, which almost makes the glove feel like a custom fit for your hand, as well as a sweat-absorbing thumb that keeps you dry during training. So make sure you take advantage of these world-renowned features and check out the Hayabusa T3 boxing glove.
Hey, what's going on guys? Johnny Southpaw here with the Everlast Pro Style Training Glove. The Pro Style Training Glove is our most popular glove that we have out in the market today. It's a great entry-level glove if you're looking to get started in boxing or if you're looking to do a boxing aerobic type of workout. This glove is really good for bag work, really good for sparring, really good for mitt work. It comes equipped with the EverCool technology, which will help keep your hands cool while you're working out. Check out the Everlast Pro Style Training Glove today. It comes in a bunch of different colors and a bunch of different sizes.